Hello, my name is Frederik Hartnig. I'm working as manager in the European R&D Center of Mazda, and I'm leading the product development of craftsmanship and ergonomics, of driver assist systems and of HMI. There's a number of interactive technologies in the new Mazda MX-30 which makes the life of a driver and passenger more easy. The MX-30 is not only offering the latest Mazda Connect device, but also offering connected service which are specifically designed for an electric vehicle. And that's, I think, another perfect example of Mazda's human centricity. In the meter cluster, you will find a 7-inch TFT LCD display in the center, and here the driver can pick up all important information just by one look. In addition, we have an 8.8-inch center display, which can be operated by our famous multi-commander. And here in this system, you can operate the vehicle settings, the navigation input or the audio system, or in addition, the standard-equipped Android Auto Apple CarPlay via USB connection with the smartphone. And why is it so important to have the center display and the multi-commander together in one system? The reason why is we have a really high and frontward-oriented position of the center display. And this makes it really easy for me when I have my eyes on the road to pick up information in a really short time. In addition to this, I can easily operate the multi-commander while I maintain in my ideal driving position. Thanks to wireless connection between Mazda and vehicles, we are offering services tailored for each driver. And the MX-30 offers a 24/7 customer support for many different situations. In front of this really beautiful floating center console, we have a 7-inch touch display. And in the touch display, we have two different functions integrated. The first one is that we have a really nice and refined welcome mode after you open the door. And the second one is after you switch the ignition on, you will see here the climate operation panel. Let me explain the operation of the climate control panel. And you can operate the temperature setting by one single tap. And by this single tap, you increase the temperature by 0.5 degree or decrease it. And by a swipe, you will increase the temperature by 3 degree up or down. You will always get an acoustical feedback, and by this you always understand that this action is completed. Around the touch display, you will find push buttons. And the reason why we implemented these push buttons is, on one hand, that by this you are able to operate the system in the winter season with gloves on. And in addition to this, it allows you, after a short time of experience with the MX-30, to operate it by blind operation.